Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. What is the sum of all three-digit numbers that are divisible by 19? Now, since we have to find the sum of all three-digit numbers that are divisible by 19, all these numbers are in arithmetic progression with common difference equal to 19. With common difference equal to 19. If we look at it, first term of this progression is 19 into 6 equal to 114. The last term in this progression is 19 fives are we have 95. So nearest to 1000, to find the nearest to 1000 three-digit number that is divisible by 19, we start with 19 fives are 1950s are 950. Now there are only 50 numbers left to get it complete 1000. So in 50 we can accommodate two more numbers, that is 1952s are we have 19 into 52 equal to 19 twos are 38, 19 fives are 95 plus 3 is 98. So these two numbers. So 988 is the last number of this last term of this arithmetic progression. Now from these two numbers we can easily calculate total number of terms here. Total number of terms equal to 988 minus 144 divided by 19 plus 1, which is equal to, okay, not 144, 114. So we have 8 minus 4 is 4, 8 minus 1 is 7, 9 minus 1 is 8 divided by 19 plus 1, which is equal to 19 fours are we have 76. So 19 fours are, then we are left with 11 here and 4, that is 19 6 are 114. So plus 1 equal to 47 terms. Now to find sum of all these terms, we have formula for sum Sn equal to S47 equal to 47 by 2 into, let's see, a 2 times a. We have 2 times a. Our a here is 114. So 2 times 114 plus n minus 1 multiplied by common difference. So n minus 1 is 47 minus 1 multiplied by common difference is 19. So we can cancel out 2 here. Let's see, 47 by 2. 2 into 114 plus 47 minus 1 is 46 into 19. So this 2 will cancel out here, and one of the factors of 46 is 2, so 23. Let's see, we are left with 47 multiplied by 114 plus 23 into 19. I have simply reduced the calculation. Let's see, we have 47 multiplied by 19 threes are 57. So it's 7, 19 twos are 38 plus 5 is 43. So 437. So that is equal to 47 multiplied by, let's do this, 437 plus 114 is 7 plus 4 11. 3 plus 2 5, 4 plus 1 5, multiplied by 47. So 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35, 7 fives are 35 plus 3 is 38. 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20, 4 fives are 20 plus 2 is 22. So we have 79852. Let's see, 551 equal to 25897. S47. So let's see. Yes, answer is option C.